How's it going, guys? Mick here. Now in today's video I'm going to be installing my Bluespark Automotive tuning box. Now if you're a long-term subscriber of the channel or even follow me on social media, you'd know that I previously had a 4 Series, well, another 420D. The previous engine, it was the N47. So now that I've got this, I'm not really fussed about getting a traditional remap, as when I was running my tuning box on that original car, I was more than happy. And yeah, like they even invited me up to, it's just outside Newcastle, to actually get my box custom tuned. So I actually reached out to Bluespark Automotive again, and they actually sent me out a box. Now, as a disclaimer, this box was free of charge. So once again, well, not once again, thank you so much to Ed and the team at Bluespark for, getting that sent out. But yeah, what we're going to be doing in this video is actually installing it onto this vehicle. So in my last video, which I'll leave linked at the end of the video, I actually, as I said, I mentioned, I went directly to their premises. They put the box on, tuned it as well, specifically to that car. But today I'm going to be doing the hard work. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So obviously before we start installing everything, what I'm just going to do is I've literally just broken the seal on this box. So yeah, I haven't touched anything. So this is exactly how your box will come if you obviously purchase one. So let's open it up. And just to let you know as well, guys, if you use code MIC15, you get 15% off any box that you purchase. So let's open it up. Perfect. So here, this leaflet just shows you how to actually, how to correctly plug it in if it's incorrect or anything like that. So you've got incorrect there and incorrect there, just so you don't mess anything up. I've then got my Bluetooth pairing module code and the guide as well. So it just shows you exactly how to pair it. It's got your code on there as well. I'll explain everything after I've actually fitted the box. And then here it is, the box itself. So it's very small, it's not intrusive, it's not getting in the way of anything. I can tell you that from previously having this box. So we'll put this to one side here. And then in this bag here, you've got the wiring. So let's open this up. So we've got this is the wiring harness. So as you can see here, you've got the connector for the boost sensor. You can see that there. And then you've got the one for the rail as well, which is here. So put that to one side again. You got some zip ties. So this is to actually secure the box. Now, obviously I'll show you installing it, so you'll see exactly where I've fastened it to this specific vehicle. You've got a blanking kit. So if you have a vehicle with like an awkward sensor position, you're able to blank it off if you ever need to take off the box or anything like that. Got a Bluespark business card and another 10% discount. So you see, I'm not sure if you guys can see that properly, if it's in the focus. I'll leave it linked in the description anyway. So that's a 10% code, which you can use. I think that's a one-time code. You get a nice Bluespark Automotive sticker, which I'll be using on my car. I'll put that there, put that there. And then here, you've got the instructions on how to fit it to the specific vehicle. And you also get the pouch for the box as well. So this pouch, I believe, is heat protective, so the box cannot get damaged. There's obviously no water going to be getting in there as well, so it's perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, I've got that all unboxed. What I'll do is I'll quickly run through everything, so in terms of the Bluetooth module and stuff like that, and then I'll get it installed. So with the Bluespark Automotive boxes, they've got 3 editions. So I'll start with the least powerful up to the most powerful. So the first one is the CR Tech 2. So that, as I said, that offers the least power. And then you've got the Pro Boost module, so that's the middle one, the middle tier. And then you've got my one, which is the Pro Plus Boost. So this takes my car from 190 PS up to 225, and then the Newton meters go from 400 Newton meters up to 468. Now, I would have just inserted it on the screen there so you can see. But yeah, depending on what type of power you want to run, or like in terms of economy as well, because these boxes definitely help with economy. I can definitely tell you that from experience myself. Now, what they've added since I had my initial box is the Bluetooth capability. So now Bluespark have got an app. So I believe it's called Bluespark Tuning. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen anyway. But what you're able to do with that is connect to the box now via Bluetooth, and instead of actually going under the bonnet and physically turning it with like a Torx bit, you're now able to do it via Bluetooth. So you can run like all your different maps a lot easier. So you can literally just be sitting in your car, you could be standing here, for example, and changing it, opposed to going wherever you fitted the box and turning it and then checking it out. So yeah, I think that's a massive feature that they've added. I'm really glad that they've done that. I was surprised to see it because I didn't know that was actually possible. But yeah guys, let's get straight into this now and install this unit. Yes guys, so that's now been fitted. As you can see, that's the box there. So if you've got a 4 Series, there's this black metal strut that goes to, yeah, the strut, suspension strut. So you can actually fasten the box to that with one of the cable ties, or if you want, you can add a second one in just to be extra safe. But yeah, I was just showing you where I've secured it. So as you can see, that's now all been installed, and I'm just about to jump in the car and let's fire this up just to make sure I've done everything correct. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. All started. Look at that, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it did take me a lot longer to actually install it. The reason being is because the rail sensor on this specific car, it's in, I wouldn't say it's a nightmare area, but it's just so cramped and it was on so securely that yeah, I couldn't get it off. My brother actually got it off. So yeah, but once you get that off, it's so easy to do. Let me just stop the car quickly. And just looking here, I've got no error codes. That's fine. So yeah, I'll just come back now. And yeah, that is all installed now. So very happy. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this, well, I need to run it in. So it is recommended. Let me just put my phone down, get this set up. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is run this in for 200 miles. So just do normal driving, just make sure everything's all good, no error codes popping up or anything like that. And then you can start messing around with all the settings. I'm not going to end the video here, however. I'm just going to quickly go to a stint just showing you the app and exactly how it works. So I'm going to jump in the car and then show you guys exactly how it all works. Yes guys, so finally I'm in the car, you can hear it running perfectly fine. Now what I'm going to do is hook up the Bluetooth, so the app. So I'm going to pair the app to the actual box. So in the box, the actual box that you receive, you get a letter, well, piece of paper with that Bluetooth pin. So you can see it here on the screen anyway. So you can see here vehicle description. So I'll just put my reg in, MC13. There we go. And then you just put the pin in. So that's fine. And that's been verified. So what you can see here is the different sorts of maps. So 0, so you can actually put the car back to stock as well if you'd like. So if you were to go on to 0 and then that. But what I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to leave it as it is, just so I'm not messing anything up, run it for 200 miles and then I can have a play around with it. But I'm going to make another video, obviously once it's running, just showing you guys more like, you know, in depth with these maps and showing you like power figures as well. So as I said, you can always tune it back to stock, get some 0 to 60 times and then, you know, turn up the maps, go on the different specifications and then see what we're getting from there. But yeah guys, I'm gonna leave at that today. So let me just stop this recording. That's fine, that's the phone one. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that today. If you guys have enjoyed the video, please give it a like, consider subscribing and give it a share as well. As I said, use code MICK15, so MICK15 to get 15% off any box. Now, it doesn't have to be a BMW, it can be any manufacturer that they cover, any vehicle that they cover, you'll get that discount off. So yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next one.